Hey my cupcakes, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a DIY on how to make mini cash envelopes. I did order like the regular size cash envelopes from Etsy, which I do keep in my budget binder, but since I was on vacation I didn't want to carry my regular size A6 binder envelopes because I did end up bringing it with me and it got really crinkled, so I just wanted to make my own, and this one is super affordable. I got my cutter at Daiso's for only $4. I went to Walmart and they were selling it like $15–20, so I was like, I don't really need that. This you don't really need. You can just use a pair of scissors, which is what I used when I made my first practice demo mini cash envelope, which is of course gonna be Minnie Mouse because she is my favorite Disney character. So this is my personal one that I kept in my wallet while I'm on vacation. This size fits perfect for folded money like that, so it fits the money like this, and then I kept this in a long my long wallet with me while I was on vacation. So I just got this and I held my money in here as like budgeting wise and limited myself to spend only a certain amount each day. So this is what I carried with me, but I figured I share with you guys on how you could make your own at home if you guys are on a little bit of a budget and you guys don't want to spend the money on regular cash envelopes. These are going to be mini DIY cash envelopes without a laminator. Alrighty guys, so we're going to go ahead and start off with what the finished product is going to be looking like. I chose a Minnie Mouse styled paper that I got from a craft store called Ben Franklin, and I am just showing you guys that if you fold your money in half, this fits perfectly. So like I mentioned, for my vacation I didn't want to hold my big envelopes, so I made these, and I got my cutter from Daiso's for $4, so that's not needed. The one I just showed you guys was my first trial, and I used a pair of scissors that we had in hand, and I just used a pen to mark the sizing. If you wanted to be more precise, of course you could actually measure it, but I didn't. And then I picked up regular tape from Daiso's. Packing tape would be ideal, so you don't have to go and tear so much for each layer. But I'm just showing you guys the papers that I got from the craft store. I got a Minnie Mouse one because she is one of my favorite Disney characters, and I found a cute Hawaii themed paper, which actually ended up being super easy to measure out to make mini cash envelopes. So here, like I mentioned, you could use a ruler to go ahead and measure everything out, but I just simply put the bill on top of the paper, and I wanted some play space, and in case I needed to cut a little bit extra, I would be okay. So that's why you can see me going a little bit above where the paper ends for the bill, and then I'm just simply marking it, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do that for the top and bottom. Then I just slide it over with my little cutter that I got, and this actually really worked. I was a little skeptical because it was only $4, but honestly, if you guys have a Daiso's and you guys were wondering like where to get those cutting machines, check them out because you don't have to go to Walmart and spend a lot of money on it. My Walmart was about $15–20. I'm not too sure if that's just because I live in Hawaii and everything else is super expensive, but I would suggest going to Daiso's, and then I'm just making sure that the money is going to fit before actually proceeding to start the whole project. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is just fold the papers in half so that it makes a little pocket to hold our cash. Alrighty, so I did two off camera, and then I'm going to be showing you guys the demo part right here. And all I'm doing is measuring the length of the envelope with the tape and actually halving the tape, if you guys can tell, at the end, and then just folding it, because the way I folded this, the sides actually was already folded and I just needed to close off the bottoms. So it might be different the way that you might cut your paper, but if you follow the way I did mine, you could also do it this way. So I just measured it perfectly. Well, not that perfect, but you'll see that I'm just going to go ahead and trim the little extra tape that I have left over on the envelope. and then just put that to the side because that's just going to be rubbish. And I'm going to go ahead and repeat the process until I get to the top and make sure that I kind of overlap it so that there's no paper that's visible, if that makes any sense. Just to make sure that it is more durable because paper can crinkle over time. So if you don't have a laminating machine, this is the next best option. I know they do sell sheets that you could laminate without the machine, which I was going to get at my local craft store. It was about $8 to $10, but I honestly did not want to spend any more money on something that I'm just going to throw in my wallet. And again, we are trying to save money here. We are all trying to budget things, so I figured try to show you guys the most affordable options on how to do it yourself at home with the most resourceful items that you may have lying around your house. And then that's going to be it for the Minnie Mouse collection. And I'm just showing you guys for the Hawaii themed paper. I'm just going to go ahead and cut a straight line because it's already marked perfectly to make cash envelopes. And then I'm going to go ahead and just cut them so they're evenly. I had to cut mine with the scissors first because my cutting machine did not fit the scrapbook paper that I had. The scrapbook paper was way too big for this little cutting machine that I had. But I'm going to go ahead and just cut it like that, and it's super cute. So one of these has like the little Hawaiian islands. It has each island has a cities, which is the blue one right there. On the right is our Hawaiian flag, and then I'm just simply folding it in half and repeating the process of what we did with our Minnie Mouse wallets. And they came out super cute. So this one has a little bit of the islands, and it says hi for Hawaii. And then I'm just showing you guys here that this size envelope will fit credit cards and cash. So this one actually worked very, very well. I actually made my own to hold my gas money, and I made one for my own personal use. So I'm just going to go ahead and repeat the process with the tape that I have here. Alrighty guys, if you guys made it to the end of this video, then there is going to be a giveaway. There's going to be 2 giveaway winners in here, and each of you guys are going to be winning a pair of these envelopes that I had made. It's nothing fancy, I know that, but I just wanted to say big mahalo to everybody that has subscribed to my channel and has been commenting and liking my videos. I see you guys and I enjoy conversating with you guys in the comment section. So I wanted to go ahead and do something for my cupcakes. It's nothing fancy again, so I mean, if you guys don't want to enter my giveaway, it's fine. But I figured, you know, we're all here to try to save some coin and maybe save money for a bigger goal in the future, and I just wanted to help out by trying to do something for you guys because I know this came in handy while I was on vacation. So maybe it'll benefit you guys and you guys just don't have the time or resources to make your own. Again, I got my things from Daiso and a craft store and spent less than $7 on everything, and I have extra paper to make more. But I just wanted to make 2 sets for you guys. I said 2 sets. 2 sets for you guys. So all you guys have to do is be subscribed to my channel, like this video, and you guys can comment as much as you guys want in the comment section, anything that is budgeting related, whether if you guys are gonna try this for yourself and make your own mini cash envelopes, or how's your progress with budgeting wise, anything of that matter. So there's gonna be 2 winners. It's gonna be only it's open to, like, you know, not just US winners. So yeah, there's gonna be 2 winners, so each person is either gonna be winning this pair right here or this pair. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave the giveaway end date on a screen. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so you guys are notified of future videos, and so you guys could be one of my cupcakes. And a big mahalo to all my new cupcakes as well, and thank you for supporting me. I really appreciate it. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.